नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर जी के चंद्रोल, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ बॉटनी, कल्याण पीजी कॉलेज, भिलाई नगर. My topic is plant quarantine. The plant quarantine is a disease control measure to prevent introduction or import of new disease through effective check imposed by legislation. The quarantine method is specified for the export and import of seed and other planting material to ensure their disease-free state. Plant quarantine regulatory measures are operative through the Destructive Insect and Pest Act 1914 in India. The purpose of and the intent of this act is to prevent the introduction of any insect, fungus or other pest which is or may be destructive to crop. The new policy on seed development 1988 and the provisions of plant quarantine order 2003. The specified planting material for propagation like cutting, birds, woods, etc. require growing under post-entry quarantine for a specific period. The import permit for such planting material is granted based on a certificate from designated. As per Plant Quarantine Order 2003, a total of 60 entry points including 34 seaport, 12 airport and 14 land custom station are notified point of entry for import of plant and plant material. Objectives of plant quarantine: inspection of imported agricultural commodities for preventing the introduction of exotic pests and diseases to Indian fauna and flora through implementation of DIP Act, Destructive Insect and Pest Act 1914, and the Plant Quarantine Order 2003 regulation of import into India. Inspection of plant and plant material meant for export as per the requirement under IPPC, International Plant Protection Convention 1951 to facilitates pest-free trade. Detection of exotic pests and diseases for their containment by adopting domestic quarantine regulation if introduced. Types of plant quarantine: it may be international plant quarantine or domestic plant quarantine. International plant quarantine including export and import of plant substances into one country to another country, inhibiting disease and destructive organism by certain legislative regulation control. In domestic plant quarantine, for inhibiting the entry of insect and weed, the transport of plant material into one place to another place in a state are banned. Sections of plant quarantine. First, specification. This section includes provision for specifying and duly notifying the plant pathogen likely to be transmitted. The detail of the procedure of seed inspection to be followed should also be clearly mentioned in the specification. Second, export control. Certification of complete freedom from infestation of the possible inoculum of any disease in the country or in a defined growing area of the seed crop concerned. Field inspection of the seed crop to ascertain freedom of inspection in this crop. Inspection of seed lot by drawing sample and testing these according to standard procedure approved by the importing country, and treatment of seed wherever applicable and practicable. Then import control. Embargo, a practice to effect total prohibition on certain kind of seed. The important must obtain the import permit from the Director of Agriculture or the Chief of the Plant Protection Service. Inspection of the plant imported seed lot by testing representative samples in accordance with standard procedure for the interception of disease, if any. Post entry growing on test of a small seed consignment of special importance in quarantine greenhouses to produce pathogen free seed for open cultivation. Seed certification. In seed industries, experience the importance of genetic purity and germination power or capability of seed by related person. Plant quarantine activities. To issue import permit with additional declaration and special condition to facilitate safe import of product, to undertake laboratory testing of plant and plant material to ensure freedom from exotic pest, to undertake phytosanitary certification, to undertake fumigation, disinfection of commodities to control infection, to undertake certification of post-entry quarantine facilities and inspection of imported growing plant and plant material, to support export market access for India's agricultural products, to facilitate safe global trade in agriculture, and to provide grant in aid to designated inspection authorities. Post-entry quarantine authorities. In India, there are several post-entry quarantine authorities in India. Where the number of post-entry quarantine variable, it may be 1 to 4. 1 in Andaman and Nicobar Island, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Delhi, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala, Lakshadweep, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Pondicherry, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Tripura and West Bengal, 2 in Bihar, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, 3 in Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and 4 in Maharashtra. Thank you.